Tunikon, sa Tunikon ang manihagong heya, i-review natin ini whether we will continue this or improve on this through this 4K dashboard. Or else, nag-agreeing na nila. No? Sa pag-ibig ng pag-isay sa inyo. RD, I think you were there. When PSA, the Philippine Statistics Administration, launched this long-awaited CBMS, Community-Based Monitoring System. As a former mayor who loves to use data, happy ako. I even spoke to the launching. Can we use the CBMS now? Ilang na kabulan? 7 na kabulan na liga. That was launched last September. We cannot still open the CBMS data sa PSA. It's a very important data, especially on policy formulation. Pero damo sa walls, we will install ang PSA, confidentiality system, everything. Na wala din ko nakakita, naging damit sa PPDO ang CBMS. Ginasapot ko na ang head sa PSA. I'm always calling Jerry Tulutan. Kasi ko, how can we use this? Next year, masurvey naman sila ito. 2028 survey. Ang atong CBMS was survey 2024. Yet, we cannot use the data. So, again, I'm just making a point that this dashboard, financial metrics, can only be used if it's available to us. Can to gina-update nato timely, real time. So, makabakal kita sa pinakanami ng computer, pinakanasi ng computer, we can install the fastest internet in the capital. Pero kung wala tayo na-feed sa maayong na data, we cannot use this sa atong mga decision making. So, today, ang atong governor is an avid user of data. That's why ang community defense, ang 4K, emanated from how we operate the OPSEN. No? Kaya makita ni Governor ang mga data what is happening in the province. But I once sat on a meeting with investors sa OPSEN. May mga investors na taga-agriculture. When I look at the data of PAIS, I can already see si Grace, si Grace, si Dodong Pagkakulego, ang head sa pagro. Nasala ang data. Hindi lang yung months old, years old ang data sa PAIS. Kaya gina-open natin sa aton OPSEN dira sa opisina ni Bob. So, this is a work in progress, figure. This is a work in progress. Make sure that you have accurate, real-time data for this Talapdan to work. But anyway, congratulations for launching this, and we will use this. Ako ang number 1 yung user, kaya ako man ang number 1 yung magayaw sa inyo,